Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Wednesday, May the 24th. And this is the summary report for day number 21. Can you believe it? 21 days. Yeah, it's about 3:52. Market is about 8 minutes from closing. And if you're new here, created this channel about 6 weeks ago, probably, I think around that time. And basically to journal my trading journey. And currently I am trading 19 funded Apex accounts. And I share everything is live. All my trades are live. It's very important to me that I am fully transparent with you guys. So you will see all my trades live. You will see my summary report at the end of every day where I briefly go over the trades of the day, how everything went, and I'll also share my profit and loss. And you can see basically how it's been going, which I'll show you here in a little bit. But yeah, today was an okay day. I was happy with it. There was some things, obviously, you always look back and you're like, yeah, there I could have done better. There I could have done better. We had a couple moments like that, but overall, I was happy with today. We had news at 2 o'clock today. I'm just going to scroll back through here. This morning, so the first trade we took this morning, we were in a downtrend. I was looking to enter on a short, and we had this pullback at the open, and I entered on a short at 41.37. And it was a really good entry. Obviously, it's so easy. It's so easy in hindsight to look and be like, oh, wow, why didn't you just hold? Yes, I agree. But I did kind of get faked out here on taking my profits here early, basically because of NQ. I'm going to blame it on NQ anyway. But this morning on NQ, we had this move happen. And while we were selling off on ES, NQ was making new highs. So when I saw ES start to pull up, I got out. So it's definitely a learning experience for me, because even though sometimes there's correlation between ES and NQ, I should only be trading and looking at the price action on my chart, and be a little bit more diligent on my take profit. And yeah, in hindsight, obviously it's easy to say, I should have let this run. I wish I would have, but likely I would have gotten stopped out right here on this bar on my trailing stop. So I'm not that sad about it, but I definitely left some money on the table. And then the rest of the day, just a lot of choppiness. Had a big move here that as soon as we hit VWAP, we rejected. Just never had a really good entry point on that move. Kind of throughout the day, the news at 2 o'clock really didn't do much. And then finally at around 3 o'clock, 3:30, we made this move. And obviously I wasn't in any trade when the move happened. And I don't like chasing. So when I see a big move like this happen, I just tell myself to be patient, wait for a pullback, and then enter. I try to not enter on a big move up like this, because if you do, and then it starts reversing, it's really hard to know where to get out. But I did. So we came up here and then we pulled back. We started in this candle here. Yeah, it kind of faked me out. I entered. I was a little bit aggressive on my entry here. Usually on a big move like this, we see a little bit more of a pullback than just this, but I was a little bit aggressive and I entered right here and I got stopped out immediately, almost. But I was very happy. Like, I didn't let that really affect me, because we came down and then we rallied again and I entered again right here. Then I had a nice trade to the upside, captured that move. And then when we pulled back, I got out on my runner, which I was okay with. And then yeah, when we pulled back to here and I re-entered again right here. And then we again took profit when we made the double top, and then I let my runner run, and I kind of got lucky. I got lucky, but I'm going to say it was skill. Okay. It was pure skill. I'm just going to say that. But yeah, I basically had a target of 41.44. We were one tick away, and I didn't like what I was seeing, and I just got out. I got out right here and pretty much sold at the top, which never happens to me. So I'll take it. But anyway, then we had this move. The rest of the move was down. I actually almost entered again right here. But something told me it's going to be a fake out, and it was. So I was very thankful I didn't enter on that one. But yeah, overall, this morning could have done better. This afternoon session and through news, I was very happy with how patient I was, just waiting for something to develop. Finally developed around 3:30, and again got stopped out on one trade, but re-entered and ended the day with a decent gain. So I was happy. Again, I keep reminding myself of this, and I'll remind everyone else that this is a marathon, not a sprint. I'm going to take it slow. All right, so my profit and loss. Obviously, if you're new here, you probably see this and you think, wow, this guy's terrible. Yeah, you're kind of right. Basically, when we started this funded journey, I just went through a terrible slump where I couldn't hit the broadside of a barn door. And I also went on tilt one time. That's what this is right here. This is what it looks like when you go on tilt. Boys and girls, don't do it. But yeah, I mean, we're slowly recovering. I just want to keep this trend right here. From here to here, it doesn't have to go straight up. I'm okay with this trend. We do not need, we can take 3 months to get to our payout threshold, and I'm okay with that. So I need to constantly remind myself of that, because it's so easy to look around and you see other traders. Obviously, I watch, a lot. I follow a lot of other day traders and YouTubers, and you see them have, $2,000, $3,000 days, and sometimes it can kind of get to you, but you have to follow your plan, not mine. Your plan, not mine. So I have to tell myself that constantly. So yeah, anyway, for the day, we ended the day at $813 in profit. And yeah, happy with that. And don't look now, but we have 3 profit days in a row. We will take it. Anyway, I'll wrap it up. Also, just a friendly reminder that Apex still has 80% off. Next Monday, May 31st, is the end of that sale. So if you do want to get more Apex accounts, now's the time to do it. And if you want to use my code, that would be ideal. That would be much appreciated. If not, it's okay. Just make sure you use a code, because 80% off, you definitely don't want to miss that. So, okay, that's it. Everybody have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in the live stream tomorrow morning. Take care.